Adrian, your chariot awaits, my lady.
Oh, hold on. You did bring the key, right, Scholarship? You need arrangements. No protective daddy's gonna come looking for us, right?
Yeah, it's all set.
You?
Sure. I mean, yeah, let's break some rules.
Yeah, who's missing?
Here. Let's get out of here before Mr. C realizes we're not inside. Getting all big brother in there.
Something wrong?
What if someone notices the bus is missing?
Johnny's dad practically owns this town. Okay, nobody's gonna press charges. Hey, would I let anything happen to you?
No.
Let's go. Come on.
Goddamn turds went AWOL. They don't know who they're messing with. All right, campers. It is officially time to party hardy! Beer!
Cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Sorry. Mommy's watching horror movie. Go on. Go on, Coco.
Check this out.
There's Jam at the back.
Hey, man, how much longer you think?
Based on the direction Adrian gave us, I'd say about another hour. It's hard to tell with anything. Littered this road with signs.
Cuckoo, you're falling asleep, baby. Are you sleepy, baby?
So screwed.
Yep. Dry as a bone. It's a gas thing. The engine looks fine.
We're out of gas?
You mean to tell me we're stuck out here?
Wes, hey, it's fine, man. We're gonna be okay.
Yeah, don't look at me, okay? The gauge says half full. You guys picked the broken bus. I just started it.
Hey, guys. Where are the girls?
Sean is so into you. Told you I was gonna get you laid. I don't know, maybe. I mean, I don't really know how to kiss, let alone, you know. You don't know what you're missing out on. Don't be silly, it's easy. And rad. Here, I'll show you. No, do it. Then when Sean kisses you, it'll be weird. Watch and learn. Just close your eyes tilt your head and wait for it. See? Easy. You guys are crazy. Oh my god! Joyce! Go back! Get alive, will ya? You don't think he saw anything, do you? Why would you do that? Johnny?
Man, I saw the girls changing, I scared the shit out of them. Gotta love the classics. You dickheads get this thing rolling yet?
Can't go anywhere until we find some gas.
Well, that's Toby's department, right? You break the bus, you fix the bus. Come on.
Much better. Mosquito bite on my ass.
You look great.
Thanks. How very.
Hey, John, get in the game. What are we doing? How far away are we from your cabin?
I don't know.
Well, I guess we'll give anyone a scholarship, huh?
Get bent, Johnny.
Maybe we can send somebody down the road and see if there's anything nearby.
Yeah, good idea.
Hey, thanks for volunteering.
What? Why me?
Don't you know? The driver's always responsible for the passenger, Toby. Unless you're too much of a pussy to go.
This is so bogus. All by myself?
I'll go.
Really?
Hey, there you go. Hit the road, loser.
Where's the flashlight?
Force be with you, pal.
Find him, I will.
Man, we're gonna be here the whole night.
Why is everybody being so paranoid? There are houses everywhere. This is America. Okay, Tubby will find a phone and a rack of ribs and be back in a flash.
Okay, look, maybe we can get all the bags out and see what we got, all the same. What?
Why do you think Marilyn went with Lard ass anyway?
Really? Stubby has all the weed.
So, got any weed?
You know it. Sorry.
You're lightweight.
No, I mean, I'm sorry I got us some towels.
Toby, chill. Shit happens, it's fate.
What?
Fate, you know, I think things are supposed to go down. I believe everything happens for a reason, even if we don't know what it is. Like us talking right now, I mean, if we had decided to go to the cabin for
No, I'm really happy we have sociology together. One class our last year, you know?
Me too. Remember that time Miss Williams handed us those worksheets? And when she handed you yours, she asked you what was wrong because your eyes were so red?
Yeah.
And you said you're way too hot to be doing worksheet. That was hilarious. And she said something else, but I didn't hear.
She said, she told me to put my head down and not talk to anybody for the rest of the class. I think she thought it was contagious.
That was the first time I knew you were cool.
Cool, I smoke grass.
No. You know, cool guy.
Really?
Absolutely.
Okay. Box of Bugles, box of Pop-Tarts, and some gum.
Can we stop worrying and start drinking again? The beer's getting warmer by the minute.
Hey, have you got anything to eat in that big ass bag of yours?
Nothing.
Nothing? Not even some Twinkies or something? You see, Heather here, she's a Twinkie junkie.
Shut up. You're not.
Let me see.
No, I just have personal items. You know, girl things.
Great, let me see.
Johnny, no!
What the fuck?
Christian, are you okay?
I can't believe it. You brought your rat fucking dog?
I didn't even let me bring her if I told you. Look, the dog's here now, okay, Johnny?
You know what? Scholarship here is right. There's nothing we could do now. Eat it, maybe.
And you wonder why she hates you. It's okay, baby. I won't let the bad man hurt you.
What about you, Johnny?
cigarettes count?
How many calories in a cigarette? Look, I bet Toby and Marilyn already found help for her on the way back. Got another joint?
What are you doing?
Oh, he's ticklish!
Okay.
Oh, you can run me in the eye! Damn it! Who was it?
Cool. Joe.
So